good. All right. Whew. Ah, seasoned meat, honey butter, fresh bread. These are good things. Ah. Oh, that was pretty good. I think I might need another piece of bread. There we go. That's looking good. There you go, campfire version of sweet potato casserole with the melted marshmallows and butter and cinnamon. It's fabulous. Just gotta let this cool down. Oh, well, that's nice. Bread, steak, and potatoes. I think I need to wash my hands. It's my Japanese hunting knife. It was a gift from a friend when I was in Kyushu. There's real shark skin on the handle. It's like sandpaper. Excellent grip.